Slang word today, folks. This slang word literally means ash to your head. But let's see. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have kül başına. Kül başına. Kül başına is shame on you, serves you right, or damn it. Let's use it in some phrases. Shame on you, serves you right, or curse you when you say those. Kül başına or kül olsun başına. For all of these, you can just say it. Kül başına means ash to your head. Kül olsun başına may ash to be on your head. Let's use those in some sentences. Kül başına. Vaxtında mən deyəni etsəydi, belə olmazdı. Serves her or him right. If she had done what I told him or her on time, this wouldn't have happened. Vaxtında on time. Mən deyən, the thing that I said, etsəydi, would have done. Belə olmazdı. It wouldn't have been like that, basically. This wouldn't have been happening. Kül başına. Vaxtında mən deyəni etsəydi, belə olmazdı. Let's see another one. Kül başına. Yine telefonunu itirdi. Shame on him or her. He or she lost his phone again. Telephone is a loan word. Telefonu, someone's phone. Telefonunu, lost someone's phone. Kül başına. Yine is again. İtirdi, lost. İtirmek, to lose. Kül başına. Yine telefonunu itirdi. That was my way of using kül başına in Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. Let's see what I have, another one. Much better one and fun. Kül başına from grandma should not be taken close to heart. My grandma says that a lot too, but she doesn't mean like curse you, damn you. She just uses it in her sentences. Come back tomorrow to finish the week with new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani, much more fun ways, and learning an Azerbaijani language overall. I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.